Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel hotel booking in Agoda app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you have booked a hotel and you want to cancel the booking process, then you can follow these easy steps. First of all, open the Agoda app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to home page of Agoda app. Here you have to go to the booking option. You can see the button at the bottom of screen. Just click on the My Trip option and you will be on this My Bookings page. Here you will find all of your bookings that you have made. You can also see upcoming and cancelled booking over here. As you can see, right now I don't have any booking, but I will show you the whole process of cancellation. Let's say this is your booking. When you tap on My Trips option, you will see this page. So in here you won't be able to see any cancellation thing or anything like that. What you have to do is click anywhere on the page or the arrow button. You can see, just click on the arrow button. After that, you can see there are no cancelling options or anything like that on this page at the top. So you can't find anything in here. So where is the cancellation button? If you just scroll a bit, you will see the cancellation option. Just tap on it. So after tapping on the cancellation option, you will see a page like this that says cancel free booking. So in here you have to select a reason for your cancellation. Of course, why you just want to cancel the hotel. So if you want to cancel the booking, you have to click on here and select your reason to cancel. So I'm selecting my reason and then click on cancel booking. So after you click on cancel booking, the page will load for some time. It will load for a minute, I guess. So after the loading has done, as you can see, there is a thing that's written, your booking has been cancelled successfully. So those are some easy steps on how you can cancel any kind of booking on Agoda. So that's basically how you can cancel hotel booking in Agoda app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.